How to install MB Bank on iPhone? So first register. So yeah, this is like a popular app in some countries. Within 1 minute, customers can experience a smart-friendly free interface with automated extensions that include money transfer, 24/7 transfer money via mobile, and all of that. So I don't know either. Of course, this app is not the top app in US, but it seems maybe it's like a Thai app or something like that. Sometimes these regional banks apps are going quite high in the charts in the US. So then yeah, you can just proceed here. Maybe you are traveling there, or maybe you need an account while yeah, you're traveling. So yeah, and then okay, so probably seems it's like Vietnamese app. So yeah, and then you can just go log in here, create an account. Yeah, in case you need it. So yeah, that's basically the process.